Hi and welcome to this Filmora tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to tell you how to import your images. So let's just go in. So this is an option called for importing your media files here, and then there is also some other option. This is import media files. This you can import a full media folder, then import from camera or a mobile phone, then import with instant cutter tool that you can cut yourself the video and then you can import it. Then download media from Facebook, download photos from Instagram, and download photos from Flickr. Okay, now just let's go import media files. Okay, so I'm going to select everything and I'm going to insert this. The reason why I'm taking this video is this was a video that I recorded using my Note 8 mobile phone for creating an Udemy course called Punch the Fear in the Face. So this video has even some set of places where you need to trim off or split off, and then you should be adding your titles, transitions, etc. So this is the reason that I am just using this video. Okay, now let's go for import. Let us just start download media from Facebook. See, so it shows an option here as Facebook sign in. You go here. Let's see what happens right now. Now it's asking for a Facebook authorization. So I'm gonna give my yeah, and okay, let's get inside. Yeah, I got it. But if you have so many photos, it will take so times to read about all the photos and to display a thumbnail. I'm just not going to go waste the time in here. This is the procedure actually for adding this photo. So I'm going to just add like 3 photos. That's all. I'm not going to import more than that. I'll just click import and let's see how it functions. So this would be the procedure for you to download this photos and videos from this Facebook. Okay, now you got another video also. Let me just see what it is all about. Okay, it's my own video. Okay, that's good. So in the same procedure you will be able to import photos from Instagram or download photos from Flickr. Then you can even connect your mobile phone into your PC and then take this videos or this one your JPG images from your mobile phone. And before we just start with many other steps, I just want to tell you some most important things. You need to go to tools, and I want you to go to, now let's go into preferences first. This is the most important thing I just want to tell you before you start up with all those things. Okay, I want you to go to performance. In performance you would be seeing enable GPU acceleration. In your PC, if you are having an external graphics card, I just want you to select this. I have a NVIDIA GTX 1050 graphics card and I want you to select this. Okay, then and I want you to click OK. Once again I'm just going inside, and I want you to also to tick this automatically create proxies when media resolution is higher than this. This means that when you are just importing a video, that is maybe you can take it with your DSLR or a mobile phone, the resolution of the video may be higher than this 1280 into 70. So I feel it is better that you click on, so that Filmora can render your videos very faster. So I just click OK. I hope so. This is the thing I wanted to tell you about. So now you know how to import media files and how to import media from Facebook. Thank you for listening. Then I will meet you in the next video.